What is up, you guys? Cameron here with another video. Today I just thought I would hop on and answer a couple questions I have received in the comments below on the last couple of videos here. The first one is, why did I sell the Nissan 370 for the STI? Now, I'm gonna put you guys down. Now there's a couple reasons why. The first reason is the Nissan was just too small for everyday use. Like I couldn't take my girlfriend out to car meets with my dog. So it was either I picked the dog or the girlfriend. Obviously I picked the dog all the time. Girlfriend wasn't too happy, so I had to get a bigger car. Second reason is the Nissan sat for many months at a time, costing me money, sitting there, maintenance wise, payment wise, all that kind of stuff. So I figured enough was enough. I decided that I needed something more practical, more doors, more seats, something I can drive all year round, and something I can still enjoy. So the STI was honestly my personal preference and one of the best choices I could have made. And yeah, I mean, it sucks to see the Nissan go. It sucks. I had so many plans for that car, and I mean, just maybe in the future I'll buy another one. And I mean, I probably will, but for now we're gonna do a STI build and continue the Forester. And don't worry, I have not forgotten about the trailer here. I was supposed to do the trailer, I was supposed to start working on the trailer last week or maybe the week before, but something came up, and this is gonna answer question number 2. Where is the Fozzie? Now the Fozzie is still here. It is not gone. Like I said, I was supposed to start the trailer about 2 weeks ago. That didn't happen because the Fozzie broke down. That's why you guys saw the thermostat change video. We thought it was thermostat, then we thought it was air in the system. Turns out head gaskets blew on my radiator blew. Now if you remember even more videos ago, my radiator blew while we were going up to Sasquatch. Yeah, it turns out the heads might have warped, I'm not sure, but the head gaskets were absolutely terrible. So I spent probably 4 days doing a head gasket change on that thing. It's running now. It is running now. It's just parked because I have the STI now. There is still a couple things I need to order for it because it's not running 100%. Like I need to get the idle air control valve, O2 sensors, and a couple other things. So it's not gone, it's not forgotten. I do have plans for it, not right now, but in the future. The STI, lots of plans. I've ordered parts for it. They're coming, you guys just have to be patient. But in the next video here, I'm gonna show you guys what's coming up for the next video, because I don't wanna leave you guys hanging too much. I'm not gonna show you everything, but I can show you what you guys can expect for tomorrow's video. Not tomorrow, sorry, Monday. Because this is gonna come out Friday, tomorrow, for me. Today for you, a couple days for the edit video. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. Yeah, I picked up, I wanted to, like I said in the other video, audio system, because I miss having a good audio system in my car. So this is the plan. I picked up 2 10-inch subs. Okay, I'm just gonna show you everything. Pioneer head unit. This has Apple CarPlay. I've been told Apple CarPlay is good. A JL RD501. It's a amplifier for my 2 subs. I picked the guys at Certified Audio hooked me up big time. Got me everything I needed to hook up the stereo system. So like I said, this is gonna happen in the next video on Monday for you guys. And then a double box here. It's actually gonna fit perfectly inside the trunk. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on and let you guys know what's going on, and answer the couple questions that I've received. And I read everything. I try to reply to everything. And I appreciate you guys, because we're almost at 160 subscribers. Now, I know 160 subscribers isn't much, but it's such a milestone for me. I'm so excited. I can't wait to grow this channel with you guys. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I know it was short, I know it's quick, I know there wasn't very much content on here, but for the guys that are continuously coming and watching these videos, I appreciate you guys so much. No homo, I love you guys. And yeah, so like I said, that's gonna be it for today's video. And remember, be authentic.